All right, the next power that's dedicated to the federal government is the ability to fix standards of weights and measures. Now, this probably makes no sense whatsoever, but if you've ever been to the store to buy something, you probably noticed that weights and measures are used frequently. Gallons, ounces, pounds, grams, yards, foot. When you look at lumber, you look at the weight that we buy and measure our food, gallons of liquids, gasoline, to the milk that we purchase. How do we know a gallon is a gallon? How do we know a pound is a pound? How do we know a foot is a foot? Well, the U.S. government actually oversees the standardization of weights and measures. There's a division within the federal government. If you look up their website for it, it's NIST.gov, and they basically have a weights and measures division that promotes uniformity in U.S. weights and measures laws, regulations, and standards to achieve equity between buyers and sellers in the marketplace, to make sure the things you're buying really are what they're supposed to be. So that's the standards of weight and measures secured by the federal government. Unique power, but the government sees it under its division there. The states don't deal with that.